Hi everyone, Blessed Bear. I'm going to show you how to make a sweet dreams pouch or a anti-nightmare sort of nice dreams type of pouch. So first of all, I've got this little hessian bag. You can use a little bit of fabric you've sewn into a pocket shape, you know, you can use whatever. So first of all, I'm going to add some lemon balm for calming. So I'm going to pop that into the bag. Like so. Then I'm going to add some sage salt. This is pink salt that I have put sage into, so it kind of infuses into the salt. I like to use salt. Salt is nice and cleansing, and obviously the sage is going to be cleansing and protective as well as the salt. Then I'm going to add some, it's not lavender, this is chamomile. This jar used to have lavender in, so I'm going to add some chamomile. It will come out the jar. Come on. Again, chamomile for calming, relaxing, peace and quiet. And I'm going to add that to the sachet as well. Try not to get too much all over my surface. And I'm going to add some lavender, because I pretty much add lavender to everything. And for me, lavender is very calming and relaxing. And I'm going to pop that into the bag as well. And I'm also going to add some good old mugwort. Mugwort is good for some nice protection and peaceful dreams. And I'm going to add that up and add that in as well. I'm going to add a couple of coffee beans just to add some power and energy to this spell. Add those bad boys in as well. I'm going to add some rosemary. Rosemary is a great protection herb. So obviously I'm protecting from the negativity, protecting from the bad dreams. I'm going to add that in as well. Now obviously you don't have to add as much stuff as I have. You can just add a bit of chamomile, a bit of lavender. You don't have to add loads of different things. You could just, like, you know, you could just have a little bit of lavender or a little bit of mugwort don't have to have loads of ingredients. I just happen to have loads of ingredients because I had a couple of like witchy boxes that I got off Amazon which had a selection of herbs in. That's the only reason I've got so many herbs. And then to that I'm going to add a quartz crystal and an obsidian for protection, and this one is more to sort of add more intention and boost the working and boost the power of the obsidian. So I'm going to add those two. I'll put those in the bag as well with those ingredients. And then I've also got my little protection sigil that I wanted to add. I'm going to fold that towards me because I want to bring that protection in my dreams to myself. And I'm going to put that in right in the middle of the herbs as well, like so. And I've got this nice little quartz crystal spray which I'm going to put on as well. And then I'm going to tie that up like so. And I need to thread through. Where's my scissors? I need to thread through the charm I want to add. Don't know what I've done with my scissors. I'm just going to tie that 3 times. Like so. 1 second. Okay, so I've just snipped the end of this ribbon off with my scissors so I can thread the ribbon through my little charm like so. I'm tying that 3 times as well. And there is my little Sweet Dreams anti-nightmare pouch, and if you give this a try, let me know how you get on. I'm going to keep this under my pillow or under my mattress, wherever I feel is best to put it that the cat's not going to get it. If you do use herbs and things, be careful, especially if you put like catnip in something. Because of if your cats are obsessed with catnip like mine, they'll find it and destroy the bag. But cat doesn't normally come in my room anyway at the night time or anything. Doesn't normally go in my room full stop, so it should be alright. But obviously be careful what things you use because some herbs might be toxic to your little pet. This is going to go under my pillow, behind my headboard, under the mattress, wherever I feel is the best place to keep it. And this is to ward off nightmares and bad dreams and to offer that protection while I'm dreaming so that I can have nice peaceful sleep and no nightmares. Hope you enjoyed this video. Blessed be, and bye for now.